In this demonstration, we will walk through the process of creating a supplier in Unity. This feature allows you to configure and manage suppliers efficiently. To start, go to Accounts in the main menu. Click on Suppliers. This window also displays all the existing suppliers. To add a new supplier, click on the plus button. Under Profile, complete the following fields. Name, this is a compulsory field. Select your account type and tax status from the drop-down. Optional fields include account number and statement name. Make sure the active button is ticked. Once done, click Address. In the Address section, enter your GPS coordinates and address extra if needed. On the Contact Details section, enter preferred telephone number, telephone extension, and email address. Enter the fax number, if applicable. Click Options. Finally, in the Order Schedule section, enter contact person name. Select your ordering method from the drop-down. Make sure to tick the Allow Cost Price Change on GRV. Select the number of delivery days from the drop-down. Once everything is set, click the Save Item to save the supplier. That's it. You've successfully created a supplier in Unity. For further guidance, please check out our other tutorials and user guidance.